So guys, here in Java mode we came out the Python, and in today's Python video I'm telling you the functions versus methods in Python. So yeah, I'm telling you about this video start to end, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I miss out any future related videos about the Python. So now without taking any time, let's move from your screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Python video, I am telling you about the functions versus methods in Python. So yeah, I am telling you about it. So let's get started without wasting any time and let's know about what the functions versus methods in Python. In Python, functions and methods are both callable entities, but they are different in how they are used and invoked. Below is an explanation examples. Functions. First, functions are independent pieces of code that can be called anywhere in the program. They are defined using the def keyword. Number 3, they do not depend on any object to be invoked. This is one example. Here you can see it. Let me copy this example. Let me go on my Visual Studio Code and let me create a new window. And then here I am creating a file by the name of index.py. And when I create this file, so then this type of pop-up will become index.py already exists. Do you want to replace it? That means like index.py file has been already made it. Do you want to replace it? If in that file there is not any such type of important word, so we press yes. If in that file there is any important word, so we press no and give the different name to your file. Okay. So I am pressing yes. Now paste this code. Here we first of all in the second and third line we define a function. Here the definition of function. Then in the sixth line of code we call the function. Then we save it and run it. It should give me the output should be hello alive. Why give me the hello alive? Because first of all here I define a def keyword. Then here I like greet, and in the greet I write in the rounded brackets I write like name. And then I write like return. Then I write like f. Then here I write like in the string I write like hello comma. Then I here define a name variable. So that's why it give me alive. Okay. If I go here and if I give a hi, so it give me hi alive. So like that, here you can see it. Now methods. I told you about the functions, so now methods. Methods are functions associated with an object. Is usually within a class. Number 2. They operate on the data within the object and it requires the object or class class instance to be invoked. Number 3. The first parameter of instance methods is conventionally named self, which refers to the instance. This is the one example. Here you can see it. In this example, what we are doing here, first of all, in the second till fourth line, here we define a class with a method. Okay. Then in the seventh line, we create an object, means that instance of the class, and in the 10th line, here we define a method call. When I save it and run it, should give me. Let me show you hello alive. Why? Because here I like hello, then here I like in the comma, then here I like my name variable. So that's why it give me the alive. If I change the alive, if I write Rayyan, so give me hi Rayyan. Here you can see it. You will be also change the code from here. And if you want to write a code, so let me tell you how you can write this code. So simply what you can do now, first of all, you define a class greeter. Okay. And must know that like G should be in capital. Then enter. Then like def greet should be self comma name. Then you write here return, and in the return you write here f hello comma, then in the bracket you write like name. Then write this. And now you create an object. Now here you can create an object with instance of the class, means greeter equals to greeter, then like this. And then here you define like print. Here we method. Now here we call our method. How we can call our method? Like this. Greeter dot greet. Then here you write, and the string you write any name. Like I am writing Rayyan. You are write any name here. Okay. Then here like that you can write your code. and then you save it and run it. So let me show you. Okay, now let's save it and run it. Should give me hello alive. So you can like that. You can do it. Key differences. Feature. Association. Function. It independent of any method. It tied to an object or class. Now, feature. Invocation. Function greet alive and method is greeter.greet alive. Now, first perimeter. Function no self-required method. Requires self or instance method. Feature. Define in function outside any class. A method inside a class. Okay, like that. So here you can see it in today's video. I told you about in the Python what are functions versus methods in Python. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share around, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also so never any future related videos about the Python. And I know this video is smaller because in today's video there are not that type of such type of any explanation, and there are not any type of very big code. There are very small code and very little bit explanation. That's why the video is smaller. But you must know that in Python, functions and methods are both capable entities, but they differ in how they are used and invoked. Okay. So now I'm using Necklace and next video I'm using that type of videos, and please access my Python playlist and bookmark it also, okay, because whenever I upload my Python video I will be uploaded there. And we successfully have we completed 125 videos of Python. This is a very biggest course of the Python I ever seen in the YouTube history, okay. But I'm using a class and next video I'm using like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.